In this video, we'll be seeing top 7 HTML tags that you might probably not know. So all the source code of this video is provided in the description box. If you have not subscribed to Niranjan yet, go and subscribe it and like this video too. So without wasting any time, let's start. So our first tag is our data list tag. So data list tag helps you to add auto completion in your text area or input. So now here I'll use input and I'll create a list. So I'll use list item and I'll use data list tag. Inside that I'll use option into file. So I got 5 options. Then I'll create an ID with data item here. Then if you add some values such as hello, go with Niranjan, then subscribe, like, share. And now here I get 10 marker. So to get this marker, you get so many options. Then if you start typing some text such as I have typed C, I get go to Niranjan and subscribe. Then if I start typing H, I get hello, go to Niranjan and share. So this is how you can add auto completion to your input or text area using data list tag. So our next tag is to add a color picker to your website. So if you want to add a color picker to your website, then use input type color. So this will add a color picker to your website. If you click it, then you can select the color or you can use the color from the screen. So now I'll select the color from VS Code. I get the color in RGB, HSL, X and all the other formats of colors. So our third tag is progress tag. So this will help you to add progress to your website. So if you use progress, you get that loader with progress values. So if you want to change the values, then you can use value and max tag. So I use max 100 and value 2. So I get very less value, and if I use 20, I get 20% of the progress value. So if I use 50%, I get 50% of the progress. So our next tag is details and summary tag. So this tag helps you to add accordion to your website without using any JavaScript or CSS code. So if you add details and summary, and if I look at the website, I get that marker here. Then if I click it, the marker changes to dark. So there is no content here. I'll add a content in the summary tag called open me. Then now I get an title open me. Then inside that you can give any content such as I'm using Lauren here inside paragraph tag. Now if I open it, I get Lauren, and if I click this again, I don't get anything. So this is how you can make an accordion using just 2 HTML tags. So our next tag is map tag. So I'll add some text such as Lauren here, and I get Lauren. So you can also add highlighting effect using mark tag. So if you use mark and hello, and as you can see I get highlighted tag. So I'll zoom it away so that you can see properly. I get hello here. So our next tag is to add scrolling text effect into your website. So to do that, you have to use multi-tag. Then you can set the behavior to scroll and you can use your custom direction, such as I'm using left here. Then I use lorem 100 to add text effect. And as you can see, I get text effect here. So I'll do the same thing with another macro tag, set the direction to right. So I'll copy this tag and paste it here and I'll set the direction to right. So I get macro tag with custom scrolling effect in my website. So let's go to the last and final HTML tag. So our pen tag is font tag. So here I create a paragraph and font tag. So this tag was used in HTML4, but we use CSS styling in HTML5. So inside the font tag, I'll add some text such as Lauren and I'll use command palette. So you can add custom color to your font tag and you can add custom font too. Then space to add custom font family. So I'll use Verdana font and as you can see I get custom font and custom color. But if HTML5 you can use CSS to style your web page. You can also use size is equal to +1. So this will give you extra size and you add +10, then this will give you much larger text. So these are the top 7 HTML tags that you might probably not know. So I'll see you in the next video. If you have not subscribed to Niranjan yet, then subscribe it for more awesome videos. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.